Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. So today is a really exciting video and I was waiting for this package for some time now, and just unbox it and we will talk about it later on. So I haven't spoken during the unboxing because I really don't want to disturb that unboxing process. So all of you have known that it's from Art for Start, and a lot of you know that she is really famous on Instagram and she creates so amazing aesthetic resin art. So when she released this mold, I was thinking that I need to have it because this is such a beautiful mold and I really love to support other artists, their work. So I went there and I just ordered it. So I will link all her details in my description. So when I tell you that I link all the details in description, please do check there, because it's not necessary that I always remember to tell you everything in the video. So please do check the description. So what I'm doing here is I am going to mimic the same thing she made this with this mold, but I know that I will not get the same results. I'm 100% sure about it because I did something on my own, so that's why. So what I'm doing here is I have taken a low viscosity resin here, and to which I added black pigment paste, and now I'm adding the mica powder. She didn't add any mica powder at all, but I did, so this is, I know it will be something different. So I just mixed the black pigment paste and mica powder. So here I am working with Ultra Cast. It's by Silicone and it's a low viscosity resin. Because my resin is different, my pigment is different, so I know that I have seen that the results are never same. So but I am just trying the effect. So what I'm doing is I am just pouring my black pigment and mica mixed resin into the corners of this mold. So there is resin already in my mold as well. This is actually a very deep mold and it's really big in size, although I was not thinking that it was big. So I am so happy because I really love it. And as much as I was loving this mold, I really wanted to see the results what I get. So I was less worried about the outcome of the design of the mold of the coaster here. So just simply I did the outline here, just removing all the bubbles. So after that, what she did is she put the alcohol ink and in the center, and you can already see that I have messed this again as well. So but I am showing you the real time what I'm doing here without changing anything. But I will keep on practicing until I get the same results. But for now, we will work with this what we have. Yeah, again a big mess here. So it do happens whenever I open the alcohol ink bottles, they do split a little here and a little there. So need to be careful for next time. So although I was going with the effect she has done, but with this white alcohol ink that has been dropped, now I was thinking to do something to this because I knew that this section will be a bit different. So yeah, so at this time I decided to add white resin, pigmented resin in this as well. So I just added this let's resin alcohol ink into the resin, few drops. And now I will be just simply pour it as I poured the black one. Because I'm using a low viscosity resin, so that's why I have a lot of working time. That's why I decided to do this, to see what results I get. But sometimes it's about the mold, it's not about the design. You just work freely with the resin and see what it will give you. Because I always say that resin has its own mind. So after that, I need to add some clear resin into the center. So the technique has already been changed a lot now. So yeah, here I'm pouring the clear resin into the center. So now fingers crossed and we let it to cure. So this is the next day and it's the demolding time. I really don't have big hopes for this, but still I am so excited for the demolding part here. The mold is really amazing and it's so easy to demold. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, let's see. Okay, it didn't turn out that bad, but the center, the purple is, I think so, is a bit of mess, but I really love the outer part of it. It's such a velvet effect. I don't know if you know the velvet malachite. It's a crystal. It's so mimicking that effect. I think I need to make that crystal. I love it. It's a beautiful effect and we can work on it. So all in all, I am really happy with the mold and I know that I will be making so much out of this. So yeah, this was a quick unboxing and showing my new mold. So I hope you like it, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please considering do so. And also I am getting so many of your comments and I am replying them slowly, getting lots of suggestions. So a lot of has been lined up. So take good care of yourself. A lot is coming. But again, thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.